So let's start by cutting the tuna in cubes and adding the coconut milk to absorb as much as possible. Then chop an onion as you wish. Add 3 to 4 tablespoons of sesame oil. From there, cut an avocado in half and open it with a little twist. Remove the seed with a knife, and this is the top tip. In a crosshatch pattern, cut gently the flesh without breaking through the peel, and scoop it with a spoon directly into the bowl. Add salt and fresh ground black pepper and stir. Take some fresh dill and chop it finely. Add the juice of 3 limes, then a bit of chili oil to bring up the flavors. After a good stir, and when you make sure the taste is fine, add some chopped coriander. Serve in a plate or a bowl, or do what I do, which is take the whole container with me. Bon appétit!